Wanna give your portraits that perfect realistic skin texture without making them look fake? Let me show you a pro level trick in Photoshop that just takes a few minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to farzzhasin, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create realistic skin texture in Photoshop in a quick time. So let's get started. Alright, first create a new layer by pressing Shift Command and N or Shift Ctrl and N on Windows. Set mode to overlay and check fill with 50% gray. Hit OK. Now right click and convert this layer to smart object. This allows you to tweak the settings later if needed. Now head over to filter and go to camera raw filter. And now come to the effects tab and add some grain. So I'm using grain to 75, size around 60 and roughness around 75. This may vary based on your image, so feel free to adjust. And now hit OK. You will see a flat grain texture, but this doesn't look like skin texture. To give it some kind of depth, go to the filter, stylize and click on the emboss. Set the angle according to your light source. I'm going with 90 degree and adjust height and amount until you find the perfect texture for your portrait. Here I'm going with height 23 pixels and amount 42%. Feel free to adjust these values. Okay, so now hit OK. And now to soften it slightly and make it more realistic, go to the filter, blur and click on the Gaussian blur and add a very little amount of Gaussian blur to reduce the harshness. So here I'm going with 0.8 pixel, or you can go with 1 pixels. So hit OK. And now right click on the layer and go to the blending options. And come to the underlying layer, press and hold Option or Alt key on Windows and split the slider. And make some adjustment. Let's zoom in. To create a smooth transition, especially to reveal the shadow areas like the nose and also the eyes and some these areas. Okay, so take your time and find the best possible result. After the adjustment, hit OK. And now the final step, let's mask the effect only on the skin area. So press and hold Option or Alt key and click on the mask icon. It hides everything. Press B to select brush and use a soft white brush and paint over the skin areas where you want to enhance the texture. Okay, I'll suggest you to use a low opacity brush, just around 50 to 30%, and paint over and over to build the texture. I'm doing it quickly to show you, so you should take time and paint carefully and patiently to reveal the effect. Okay. And it's done. You can always reduce the opacity of the textile layer to make it more realistic. Let's go with 90%, or you can go with 80%, 85%. It totally depends on you. But here is the before and after. Look at this. This was the before and this is after. Look at the texture. Let's zoom in a little more and you can see the difference. Here is the before and after. Subtle but powerful. Your portraits will thank you. And want to do this in just one click? Download my Photoshop action file from my Patron account. It's totally free for all the members. The link is on the video description, so just go and grab it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.